For the first step, locate the handles on top of the cover. Using both handles, lift straight up. While pulling the cover up and away from the love seat, bring the handles together towards the center, ensuring the center seams fold down and in. After that, while holding the cover by the handles, align the corners and ensure all layers are flat. Then, fold in half vertically. Your Storigami love seat cover is now ready to be hung up by the handles or folded to desired size. As you can see, the Storigami product line's innovative construction allows the cover to fold down to a neat, manageable size, and includes directional guide arrows that highlight key steps to simplify the folding process. This specific design of the mountain and valley seams create an intuitive folding experience for all Classic Accessories customers.